In earthquake-prone Japan, a debate is raging about when and where the next earthquake will strike. The government is pouring new funds into a research project focusing on a particular fault line where it believes a major quake is imminent. Scientists are divided over whether this is the best approach to take. Rachel Mealy is in Tokyo.
This is what could be in store for Tokyo and central Japan. The Japanese government has released this graphic footage to get people prepared for the worst. In one of the most earthquake-prone nations in the world, it's important to have a plan of action. Japan sits at the junction of some of the Earth's tectonic plates. One of the boundaries between the plates is called the Nankai Trough. It runs from south of Tokyo to Shikoku in the southwest. There hasn't been a major earthquake on this fault line in 70 years. It's why the Japanese government is now putting millions of dollars into research to monitor the area and to try to predict when an earthquake is on the way. Scientists are using a seabed monitoring system with detectors like this one lying on the sea floor at 51 locations.
We need to monitor this small earthquake to forecast or to predict a future phenomena or earthquake.
The 2011 earthquake triggered a massive tsunami which left almost 20,000 people dead or missing. This year, another deadly earthquake struck in the south of the country. Some seismologists say these quakes show that the government's focus on the Nankai Trough region is based on bad science.
We've had two counterexamples of extremely damaging earthquakes in the past 10 years, showing that the government's approach is simply wrong.
Professor Geller says all of Japan should be considered at risk, and there's no scientific basis to support the Nankai Trough studies over any other area.
Exactly where that research should be targeted is still a contentious issue here. What's not is that Japan should be prepared for a catastrophic earthquake of magnitude 8 or larger in the future, minimising potential damage, but more importantly, the loss of life. Rachel Mealy, ABC News, Tokyo.